two charged spherical conductors of radius r1 and r2 are connected by a wire. Then the ratio of the surface charge densities of the spheres sigma 1 by sigma 2 is. Options are given: r1 square by r2 square, r1 by r2, r2 by r1, under root r1 by r2. So this is a question from NEET 2021 and this is a very simple question from electrostatics. Let us see how to solve this question. First of all, the spheres are connected by a conductor. What do you mean by that? If you have two spheres with different radius, so assume that this is your first sphere, this is a second sphere, two spheres are, and they are connected by a conductor. Now, the first sphere is having radius r1 and assume the voltage is v1 and assume that it is having a charge q1. Similarly, this is v2, r2 radius and then q2 charge. If that is the case, when you are connecting two spheres through a conductor, you can say that both should exist at same potential. That is a key concept we are going to use in this problem. And you know how to find out for a spherical conductor, the potential, if the charge q1 is there and radius is r1, the potential we can find out kq1 by r. All of you know that. So both potential we can find out and both can be equated because both are connected by a conductor. So let us see that. So V1 is equal to K Q1 divided by R1 and V2 is equal to K Q2 divided by R2. Both can be equated when it is connected. So that means V1 is equal to V2, or we can say that K Q1 divided by R1 should be equal to K Q2 divided by R2, and we can cancel out this K. Fine. So we'll get an equation Q1 by Q2 is equal to R1 by R2. I hope all of you know K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Okay. Fine, let it be there. Now let us go to the surface charge density. Surface charge density is defined as sigma is equal to charge divided by area. In our case, we have a spherical surface, so area is 4 pi r square. So sigma 1 we can write down. Sigma 1 is equal to Q1 divided by 4 pi r1 square. Similarly, sigma 2 is equal to Q2 divided by 4 pi r2 square. Fine, let us take the ratio. So sigma 1 by sigma 2. Sigma 1 by sigma 2 is going to be equal to Q1 divided by Q2. So 4 pi will be cancelled out. So we can say that r2 square divided by r1 square when you are taking sigma 1 by sigma 2. See, we already found out that what is Q1 by Q2? Q1 by Q2 is r1 by r2, and we'll substitute that here. That means this is equal to r1 by r2 multiplied by r2 square divided by r1 square. So we can easily cancel out this r1 and this square, r2 and this one. So how much you will get finally? This is going to be equal to r2 by r1. So sigma 1 by sigma 2 is finally r2 by r1. So this is the correct answer. So you know, if you don't know the concept, you may write r1 by r2. There is a very good chance for that. Fine. See, the correct option is option 3, r2 by r1. I hope all of you understood this question.